Trying to update your Pentax K-S2 DSLR and downloaded an X70 file from Ricoh's support site? This is the official firmware update package for that camera body. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install these Pentax firmware update files safely. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of Open X70 file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. A firmware update file specifically for the Pentax K-S2 digital SLR camera. Users encounter this file when they download the latest camera software from the official Ricoh imaging website. The primary intent is to copy this file to an SD card and use the camera's built-in menu to upgrade its internal operating system. The X70 file is a binary data blob, likely encrypted or checksum-verified, containing the complete operating system for the camera's hardware. This monolithic design ensures the integrity of the update process, preventing partial or corrupt installations that could render the device inoperable. It is not meant for direct user interaction. Pentax K-S2 digital camera from Ricoh imaging company Liade should be your first choice when attempting to open X70. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows only shows minimal metadata, so reviewing the actual firmware requires appropriate tools. The initial test, right-click the X70 file and choose Open With. If Pentax K-S2 digital camera is installed, test that first. If it's not present, choose another program. Don't worry if it fails on the first try. If you still cannot open your X70 file, that is okay. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to 3 simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, preparing the SD card. Format an SD card in the Pentax K-S2 camera using the Format option in the menu. Connect the SD card to your computer via a card reader, and copy the X70 firmware file to the root directory of the card. Do not place it in any subfolder, as the camera looks specifically at the root level. Next, installing the firmware. Insert the prepared SD card into the K-S2 with a fully charged battery. Hold the menu button while powering on the camera to enter firmware update mode. Confirm the update on the camera's display, and wait for the process to complete without removing power or the card during the operation. Finally, verifying the update. After the update completes, the camera will restart automatically. Navigate to the Setup menu and select the Firmware Version Display option to confirm the new firmware version matches the X70 file you installed. Reformat the SD card to remove the firmware file and resume normal photography use. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.